A few moments later.
Well, it's not actually been just a few moments later. It's actually been an entire year that I've been using SofaBaton X1S. Now, I ended up having to get rid of one of my other TVs because it failed. So I'm down to one TV. I know it's sad, isn't it? And I don't have my stereo up here anymore, but I still use this thing every day. So I play video games on the PS5. I watch TV on the Google TV, and as you can see, I have those two activities set up in the remote. And you're like, "Oh, that's kind of simple." Well, it is, but I like it. This remote is amazing. I can do actually a lot more with this if I wanted to, because you can do custom programming with it with APIs. I just don't want to get that involved. Again, I've had this for a year. The battery lasts a really, really long time. I haven't actually tracked like 1 month, 3 months, but it's a long time. USB-C charge, so it's easy to charge. So I'm going to show you how simple it is to use. And as again, I'm going to say watch Google TV. And so there's my Samsung. And so I'm going to hit watch Google TV, and it's going to turn on the television, and it's going to put the TV on the correct HDMI port. So as you can see, this is my Google TV, and I can use this ring right here, just like I would on the actual TV remote, and scroll through the different sections. The volume button works the TV volume, as you see right there. And so let's go, let's see, you wonder what kind of, oh yeah, it's March Madness. My wife loves March Madness. So let's go here to YouTube TV, and there's YouTube TV. Here's all the live games. Oh, Vanderbilt and Nebraska. I know my wife's watching that game right now. So now I want to go back. I can just hit the home button because I've programmed that for a home page. So it goes back to the home page where I can choose any other app I want, scroll up and down. And so now, you know what? I'm done watching TV. I'm going to play my PlayStation. So I just scroll down to that, click on it, and it comes over to my PlayStation, turns on the correct HDMI port, and boom, I'm ready to play video games. Let's say I'm done playing video games. I want to go back to watching TV. Again, simple click. It changes input channel, and now I'm back at the TV. So look, they're running a huge spring sale right now. So there's links in the description that goes to their website and to the Amazon store. They're both running a 35% spring sale right now. You can't beat it. This remote can control your TV, your stereo, your Google Chromecast, Apple TV. I mean, there's 1,000 different devices this one remote can control. There's no other remote that I know that can do that. Yes, I know someone's going to say, oh, Logitech Harmony. Yeah, well, you know what? Logitech bailed on the Harmony. And I used to have the Harmony, and it's now somewhere in a trash dump because it was terrible. It got working terrible. It didn't function right. And I had to get rid of it because it was not good. And then finally, I saw SofaBaton and the X1S, excellent replacement, does more and does it better. You can't beat it. So again, links in the description. Go check it out. You won't regret buying it. It's 35% off. Go get yours today, and we'll see you next time.